Houjik Manipur gi meeyamna mathou tariba si achumba Wayel ni Wayel asi phanghannaba stat asidagi Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra khongshanba hougadouribani haina AICC gi General Secretary Organization Venugopal phongdokkhre wafam asi lakliba tang 13 dagi khongshanba hougadouriba Rahul Gandhi gi Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra gi lamthapam oiriba hatta kangjeibung gi phibam yangshinba Lakibagi Khongchatta Venugopal na Paumi Singda Phongdokkhre MPCC ki President MLA K Megasandra CLP ki leader Okram Ibobi CWC member Gaikhangam Amadi MPCC ki office bearer kya yauna chatkiba Yangsin Khongchaladuga mari leinana Venugopal na hai Puwari da lengdana leihoragadaba Rahul Gandhi gi Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra mai pangna pangthokhraba matung leibak asigi miyamda achumba Wayel phanghannaba gi pandamda Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra gi khongthang asi laurakpani Khongcharasi maru oina leibak asigi naha leitalaira lomi amadi nupi singda achumba Wayel phanghannaba honabani amaromda Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra asi Manipurdagi khongshanba houbagi maramdi lamdam asi houjik awa ana kyana pikthali masi pumnamak kokhanaba Manipurgi miyamda achumba Wayel piba haibasi yamnamak mathau tai Asokpagi dakphomna thalaba lamdam asi mapung phana oisilhanba haibasi Congress Party gi apambane Manipur asi India gi yamna maru oiba state amani lamdam asida matam sangna tangdu leitadana leiba haibasi leibak asigi miyamna pamde India gi mipum khudingmak Manipur gi awabada saru yaribani Manipur asi chawkai khongdang da mangzil thaba lamdam ama nauhona oihanba pami maramaduna nungsi chanaba amasung amata oibagi paujal puduna khongcharasi Manipurdagi khongshanba hougadouribani Venugopal na makatara hai India gi statara manga fauraga kilometer listing taruka chamanga rom chatkadauriba khongcharasi political gi khudongchaba launaba amade mikhal gamari amata leinade puwari da mayek lana lehoragadaba khongcharasi state government na political gi mityengda pushinbigano hatta kangjeibungdagi Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra lamthagadauriba asigidamak state laingangna ayaba pifam thoi hainasu Venugopal na makata na phongdokhi
Why we are starting this yatra from Manipur? We thought that Manipur also need nyay. Manipur also need justice. The wounds which happened in Manipur has to be healed. Therefore, there should be a affectionate spreading message, love spreading message from Manipur for this. That is why we are doing this yatra from Manipur. We are going from Manipur to Nagaland, Nagaland to Assam, Assam to Bengal, Bengal to Meghalaya, then Arunachal. We are traveling around 15 states. This yatra going to be one of the, after Bharat Joro Yatra, this yatra also create history, will create history. The way in which Rahul Gandhi interacted people through Bharat Joro Yatra, you see that. When he came to Manipur also, you see that the way in which he interacted with the common people, the people who suffered. This yatra, we are starting from Manipur to spread the message of love and affection and to need justice for Manipur. That message we are going to give.